Hi there, this is Armando Ipaki III. You can call me Arman or Mandoy. So you are in Paki Farm, and as you can see, the surroundings are full of weeds. I say not full, but a lot of weeds. So today, we will identify this weed that has a distinct characteristic of mechanism, which is a visible interaction with its environment. So this is Mimosa pudica, scientifically known, and commonly known as sensitive plant and locally known as makahiya. There are two plants in this family in Mimosaceae, the giant sensitive plant or this Mimosa pudica or only sensitive plant. We will rub or we will pick this weed to see its entire body, and by doing so, you should use a protective gear or a gloves. So this is the entire body of the plant. This is its flower. The leaves that are closing, which is its mechanism, sensitive to its environment, and its roots, also its stem. Mimosa pudica is a perennial weed that can grow or tolerate drought. It can also cover the entire field if leaving it growing. So, to control this weed, you can have cultural method, mechanical method, or chemical method. And by this first cultural, you can have you can um, you can control the weed by using any tools. In mechanicals, you can use equipments like this, a grass cutter or a mower. And using chemical, you can have herbicides to totally eradicate selective weed such as Mimosa pudica or sensitive plant. So the lesson for today is that to maintain the soil fertility, it's in the choice of the farmer or the landowner by using chemical, cultural, or mechanical. And in my opinion, you should use the use of mechanicals or any machines like lawnmower or grass cutter so that you can maintain the soil fertility. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.